Hello everyone, it's good to be back again. Now I'm back with another tutorial. I'm going to teach you guys how to play the intro to Jeff Bernat's Changes. Let's do this. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm not going to take too long because you guys already know how the intro goes like, and I just want to give you a brief tutorial on the chords and how to pluck the strings. So, first chord will be an A major 7. So, I want you to put your ring finger on the 4th string, 6th fret. I'm sorry. And then your pinky just down below it, which is 3rd string, 6th fret. So only these two strings. Okay, from the A bass. Okay, so first you pluck the A bass, and then the 4th string, 1st string, 3rd string. Okay, so one more time. 5, 4, 1, 3. 5, 4, 1, 3. Yeah, alright, so for the second part, still the same chord shape, A major 7. But now you just add your point finger here. So 2nd string, 4th fret. So altogether you're going to be pressing 3 strings. The previous two, these two, and add another note here, which is the 2nd string, 4th fret. So it sounds like this. Okay, so let me start from the very beginning so it makes sense. Okay, so first part, 5, 4, 1, 3. Okay, remember that? 5, 4, 1, 3, and then 5, 3, 2, 1, and don't forget to add your point finger. So 5, 4, 1, 3, press it there. 5, 3, 2, 1, 5, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 1, 3, 5, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And then third chord would be, I don't know what this is called, but this is the way you press the strings. Okay, so your point finger on the 4th fret, 6th string, and then your middle finger on the 4th string, 4th fret. Your ring finger goes on the 3rd string, 5th fret, and your pinky just down below it. So your pinky goes on the 2nd string, 5th fret. So this is the chord shape. And the way you pluck it is 6, 4, 2, 3. Okay? 6, 4, 2, 3. 6, 4, 2, 3. So all together, 5, 4, 1, 3. Add your point finger. 5, 3, 2, 1. Third chord. 6, 4, 2, 3. 5, 4, 1, 3. 5, 3, 2, 1. And 6, 4, 2, 3. 6, 4, 2, 3. 5, 4, 1, 3. Point finger. 5, 3, 2, 1, 6, 4, 2, 3. Cool. Next chord would be, I don't know what this is called, but it should be a C, C sharp minor something something, okay? So, middle finger on the 4th fret, 5th string. Your ring finger on the 3rd string, 4th fret. And your pinky just down below it, 2nd string, 4th fret. Okay, so it goes like this. Okay. Okay. So you pluck the 3 strings that you're pressing, and then you pull off your pinky, and then your pinky goes down to the 1st string, 4th fret, and then you pull off, open string. So if I was to break it down, it would be like this. But you just pull it off. But you add the bass. Okay, so now from the beginning. Okay, and then that would be on the 1st string, 2nd fret, pull off. So this would be a B minor 7. Point finger on the 7th fret, 6th string, middle finger on the 7th fret, 4th string, ring finger on the 7th fret, 3rd string, and pinky just down below it, 2nd string, 7th fret. So like this. So you go from here. So all together, really slow. Okay, so after B minor 7, you put your middle finger on the 6th string, 6th fret, your point finger on the 2nd string, 5th fret, okay, and then your pinky on the 3rd string, 7th fret, okay. The way you pluck it is 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3. And after that, you go back to the very first chord. So okay, go back to the very first chord. So all together. Okay, I think that's it for me. I know it's a bit tricky, a bit difficult at first, but I promise you that with practice, nothing's impossible. So if you like videos like this, please hit that like button. And if you enjoy this kind of tutorial, please do subscribe for more. Good night.